What's going on, guys? I'm Daniel Sanchez here at South Bay Hyundai. We're going to be going over remote smart park assist on the 2022 Hyundai Tucson. This is only available on the limited trim level. All right, guys, so this actually works in two stages. First, you're going to have to lock it twice. Hold the down button on the key fob. Vehicle will turn on. You'll know it works when the lights are on. You want to be at around 6 feet. You can go up to 10 feet if you like. So all I'm gonna do is push the button that goes forward, get it out of the tight and narrow space. Okay, lights go on, vehicle comes out. Okay, explaining it, also gonna go back down. There's a car behind it, no worries. It has sensors, you can keep holding it and it'll stop. As you guys can see, very simple, very great and useful feature to have. Let me just remind you guys that you guys are gonna have to shut it off once it's in a desired parking spot of your liking. Just pressing hold the button and also just lock your car. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys.